Hello, I'd like to invite you to the 39th biannual Australian Dental Association conference in Perth in May of this year. This is going to be one of the most exciting congresses in the whole region this year. On the last day of the conference, on the Sunday, I'm going to be presenting a one-day hands-on course which is entitled The Composite Resin Veneer 2 Ways. In this class, we're going to be doing hands-on a composite resin veneer using the natural layering approach. This is a very high-end aesthetic composite resin veneer which will be suitable for really discerning patients. In the second part of the class, we're going to be doing a more simplified composite resin veneer which is more rapid to do and more time efficient and also probably more effective to more budget conscious patients. I hope to see you there.